Hi, hello everybody. I am Gaurav Kumar from Apagen Solutions Pvt Limited. Here we are providing all sort of services related to ERP like implementation, rollout, upgradation, support, third-party integrations. In third-party integrations, we are also doing IoT, artificial intelligence. So the purpose of creating this YouTube channel is to make people aware about open source technologies in the dimension of open source ERP, artificial intelligence, Internet over Things. There are a lot many applications readily available over internet, so need not to develop from scratch. In today's world, we can directly grab the code from open source platforms, GitHub and all, and by using those platforms we can get them customized as per your kind of industry and company. Yes, in similar business vertical also there are no two businesses in common and have same requirement, so there might be some requirement of doing certain level of customization. By certain level of customization, yes, we can do help you. You can trust upon our services, capabilities, competencies that we have at Apagen. Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.